Category 4 hurricane, very impressive storm, a well-defined eye. It doesn't get any more beautiful than this in the weather department. If you're looking at a Category 4 hurricane, the way it looks healthy, it's got good inflow, it's got good outflow, right? It's got good venting. Wind shear is favorable, upper atmosphere is favorable, and this thing's going to come on shore as a Category 4/Category 5 hurricane. And you can see it came out of the Caribbean and then went due west and then turned more to the northeast, and then to the north, due north, and now northeast, right? And it's going to cross over, it looks like Port Charles, just south of Port Charles and just north of Fort Myers is going to be where landfall takes place later on today. And it's going to be a devastating hurricane down there. You can see a beautiful eye wall, beautiful eye, right? It doesn't get any better than that. You can see the beautiful couple 100-mile wide eye, and the heavy rains and winds would be on the northwest side of the storm, would be the heaviest winds. And if you're on the south side of the eye wall, it's going to push in the ocean water into you. So if you live north of the eye wall, you get an offshore wind, less flooding. South of the eye wall, when it comes in, like if you're in Bonnet Springs, probably catastrophic flooding coming into there. The Fort Myers coastline and south, catastrophic flooding coming in there, right? But if you get to, like, say, Port Charles, you're going to still get some flooding off the bay. But if you get to Sarasota, you're going to get an offshore wind, so you shouldn't have too much coastal flooding, right? But to the south side, where all the water is being pushed inland, this is going to be a catastrophic flooding event, and this is going to be a catastrophic hurricane, as it's going to be a strengthening, not a weakening, but a strengthening Cat 4, borderline Cat 5 right now, as sustained winds are getting up near 155 miles an hour. And it's going to be very interesting to see what happens in the days and weeks that follows, where the eye actually comes on shore and the people that take the brunt of this major hurricane. Like, subscribe, and share.